Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook session expired problem on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn off VPN. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap VPN and Device Management. On the VPN page, turn off VPN. Method number 2. Remove unnecessary apps. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone. On the Facebook page, tap on Menu. On the menu page, scroll down, tap on Setting. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Apps and Websites. On the Apps and Website page, click on any one app. Tap on Remove App, again tap it. Method number 3. Offload Facebook app. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap on iPhone Storage. On the iPhone Storage page, scroll down, tap on Facebook app. On the Facebook page, tap on Offload app. Again offload app to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.